Hi class. This week we're going to continue our study of perimeters. Remember, perimeter is the measurement around something. Kind of imagine the way that a fence goes around a yard. So we're measuring the length around something. That's what perimeter means. For this week's work, we are going to get a bit creative. We are going to measure the distance around something at your home. Now you might want to measure the distance around a bedroom. I am going to measure the distance around my house. So I've got a ruler here. Now you can use anything to measure. I could use a shoe, I could use a tape measure, I could use anything, but it's important that I use the same unit of measurement the whole way around. And to measure, now again, this could be any unit of measurement, but I've got to use the same thing the whole time I'm measuring. I've got this cool, trusty ruler. This is a ruler that my grandpa had when he was in elementary school, and I still use it today. So I'm going to use my trusty ruler here, and I'm going to start measuring the distance around my house. So to begin with, I'm going to choose a point on my house. I'm going to choose this corner here to start with, and I'm going to lay out my ruler. Notice how I start it right here at the corner, and I'm going to set it down here. I'm just going to mark with my eye here, where does the ruler end? That's 1 foot. Now, I could also use any unit of measurement. I could use my shoe. Here, I got my slipper here. I could count here, that's 1 shoe. I guess I could call it's 1 foot. It actually is about 1 foot long, isn't it? That's kind of funny. So I could measure in shoes, but for my measurement, because I've got my trusty old ruler here, I'm going to measure in feet. So I measure 1 foot, I mark with my eye, I just make a note of where the ruler ends, and I start my next measurement at that point, 2 feet. And I repeat that process around the whole house. 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet, 6 feet, 7 feet, 8 feet, 113 feet. 114 feet, 115 feet, 116 feet, 117 feet, 118 feet, 119 feet, 120 feet, and 6 inches. I just measured the distance around my house in feet using my ruler. Now, remember, you can use any unit of measurement. You can just have to make sure that you're using the same unit of measurement the whole time. Again, it could be a stick, it could be anything. But when you write down your measurement or record your measurement, make sure that you record what the unit of measurement was. So I would say for this house here, my house is 120 feet and 6 inches. If I was using my shoe, I would say my house is 120 shoes and a half shoe. That would be the perimeter. So I am real excited to see what you come up with, and feel free to make a video measuring your room, or just take a picture of your measurement and make sure to label your measurement so we know just exactly what the perimeter is, and tell us what is it that you're measuring. All right, look forward to seeing your work and have fun with this.